Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. As you know it, where I post helpful yet entertaining video weekly. And if you haven't done so, please hit the subscribe button, and at the same time, guys, ring that bell so that way you can get notified for all the new videos coming up. In today's episode, we'll be taking the car out for a ride, and guys, as you know it, it's the boosting season. Fall is the most favorite time of the year to actually drive a turbocharged engine, much like the Golf R, and enjoy extra boost in the process. So anyways, guys, stay tuned. Well, folks, I'm on the car now, and yeah, we'll head out here and join me for the ride, guys. So guys, we're on the road now, and definitely we're gonna try and enjoy the nice weather this weekend here. Set my car into race mode so we can get some small enjoyment. Woohoo! This car is fast, guys. It's fast. With this extra boost, it's just amazing how this car just gives out so much power. So much power, guys. Awesome. I really enjoy how this car is performing right now in this weather. It's unexplainable how more powerful it is in the super cold weather here that we have this fall season. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, baby. Very boosty, that's for sure. I'm about to hit the highway here, guys, and at the same time our temperature has gone up to about 90 degrees Celsius, so we should be good to go here to do a bit of a open throttle situation. So the highway here. It's an uncontrolled crossing. Oh my God. Guys, my gosh, Well folks, we're back on the shop now, and that was indeed a nice drive. And yeah, it's amazing how this guy is performing with this really nice weather out there. And just in case you're wondering what a tune I have on this car at this point, I'm on JB4 on Map6 at this point, and few Boltons, basically nothing major. The car is plain stock at this point. Air intake, my Rock Euro air intake, it's basically it is an open box concept, and it is a big funnel basically right at the front. It funnels everything in, all the cold air into the air intake, and that's really giving me a nice boost there in the process. I do have an inlet pipe as well, and turbo muffler delete. Those little things, you know, it adds up. And at the same time, I also have the resonator delete in the process to just kind of gives it a bit of a outlet there. Well guys, thank you again for watching and joining me on this small ride. I hope you enjoy this video, simple video here. I'm gonna try and wrap up the year here with probably a few more mods. I'm just waiting on some parts, and as you can see guys, everything costs money in the process. So yeah, I'm just waiting on a few parts that I can do, possibly a little bit of work on the Honda Pilot, and possibly the some videos coming up for the As Soon As Sunfire and also MDX itself. Well, as always, if you haven't done so again, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell as well, so you guys can get notified for all the future videos coming your way. So until next time, peace out.